Hi, my name is Kathy Phelan, and in this video, I will be talking to you about how to set up a new product in the VersAccounts ERP. This part will include setting if the product is inventoried, as well as if it has a different trading name. All items on your sales order and your purchase orders must either be products or services. Products are physical entities that can be shipped and received. They will have packages and packing lists associated with them. Services, on the other hand, are generally intangibles. They cannot be fit into boxes and have no need for accompanying packing lists. Therefore, Versa distinguishes between products and services as they are bought and sold by your firm. The principal difference in their treatment is that products purchased and sold by your firm will always be related to purchase receipts and order shipments, respectively. From a practical standpoint, your shipping and receiving personnel will be dealing only with products. By default, whenever you create a new inventoried part whose inventory type is raw materials, it will be assigned as a product that is for purchase. Likewise, when you create a new inventoried part whose inventory type is finished goods inventory, it will be assigned as a product that is for purchase and for sale. To create a product, click on Products from the top menu, and then click on New Product. You will need to fill out details about the products. The first thing you'll choose is if you're keeping inventory for this product or if you're not keeping inventory for this product. The names of such inventoried products will, by default, be the combination of the part number and the description for the part. For example, we're going to create a new finished goods inventory. The part number for the product will be P-001, and the description will be pencil. The corresponding default product name will be P001/pencil. This product name will appear on the purchase orders and sales orders unless you choose to explicitly assign a product name to it. Another aspect of products is that several trading names can be related to a single inventoried part. This is useful whenever you have a type of finished goods inventory that you sell to more than one market. By default, a product will have a minimum of one trade name. You can keep the trading name blank if you want to use the stocking description of the product. So let's say you sell the pencil through retail sales as well as to a distribution network. You would create two products related to pencil and assign the products to categories called retail or distribution, each category with a corresponding revenue account. A category is a grouping of products and services. All products and services within a category can be either bought, sold, both, or neither, depending on the category's related for purchase and for sale flags. A category also has related revenue account for products or services that are sold. Each product or service that you create will belong to one and only one category. Products within a category will be listed together on the drop-down lists used for creating purchase orders and sales orders. Versa defines some default products and service categories, such as raw materials, manufactured goods, goods purchased for resale, non-inventoried sold products, purchase services, and then we have a lot of other examples in here. Default categories cannot be deleted or edited. They are designed to be suitable for most manufacturing operations. However, you can add as many new categories as you like. The categories for raw materials and goods purchased for resale are not related to any expense account. Products belonging to these categories when purchased will be posted to the related parts sub-accounts. However, non-inventoried purchase products does not have a default related expense account. The related expense account will be entered whenever a bill for such product is entered. So we're going to go ahead and finish creating this pencil. Now we can go and edit the product if there was something we left out. You could even add something like yellow. If you do go ahead and edit the product, you will want to hit the Update Product button to make sure that your changes are saved. Now your product is available for a sale and is on your product list. There you go. And that is how you add a new product to the Versa Cloud ERP.
Make sure to check out our other Getting Started videos.